If you're still using some kind of apps to share files between Android phones, then that's not the best way, because now your Android phone has a feature called Nearby Share, which lets you to share videos, images, etc. between two Android phones. Now, Nearby Share feature relies on Google Play services, and also it's baked into your Android. So now you don't need to install any kind of apps for sharing files between Android devices. So hey guys, it's Vignesh back with another video, and in this video, firstly I'm going to show you how to set up this Nearby Share feature. Then I'll show you how to share files using this feature, and finally I'll show you some of the settings of Nearby Share which will come handy for you. So do watch this video till the end, and by the way, if you're just new to the channel, then do subscribe and also hit that bell icon. Now let's get started. For enabling Nearby Share feature, just go to settings of your phone, then scroll down and select Google. Now tap here on device connection. Now if your phone's Android version is 6 or higher, then you most probably will see an option called Nearby Share, because Google says that this feature is only available for phones that has Android version 6 or higher. Now it's not a new feature, so by the time you're watching this video, this feature should be available in your phone if your phone has Android version 6 or higher. Now just turn on this feature, and now you can start sharing your files. So for sharing any item, what you need to do is just click here on share icon and then select Nearby Share. Now Nearby Share requires Bluetooth, location and Wi-Fi. Just turn this on, and then your phone will start searching for nearby devices. Here in the receiving device, you'll be able to see this notification. Now in case if you didn't get this notification, then just go to the notification shade and select this Nearby Share quick toggle. Now on the sending device, you can see that a new phone is detected. Just tap on it and then just tap accept on the receiving device. Now it will start sharing the image. So this is how you use this Nearby Share feature. Now I know this was a bit to do, but once you have set up Nearby Share in both the devices, then as you can see that it's much easier to share files. In Nearby Share settings, you can see some options like device name to set the name of your device, device visibility, and here it also has three options. First one is all contact. That means all your contact will be able to see this device if the feature is turned on. The second one is some contacts, where you can manually add people who you wish to see your phone. Now here you can also select hidden, so that none of your contacts will be able to see this device even if the feature is turned on. Finally, here you can also select the way that you want to send your file. Like, do you want to use data for small transfer, or use Wi-Fi, or transfer files without internet? Now I have shared file using all these three options, and I didn't see any huge difference in transferring speed. So I'll select second or third option because I don't want to waste my cellular data. So that was it for the video. Now if you think this video was helpful, then do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when I post new videos. So that's it, it's Vignesh signing off, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.